Welcome to Cloudcroft. Wow. Good morning. In case you guys don't recognize him, that's Tim Kreitz right in front of me. Met up with him and his crew in New Mexico, Cloudcroft area, rented a cabin, and we're just going to go ride these mountains. Not a lot of vlogging on this trip, just hanging out with good people and riding some good roads on some cool motorcycles. And that's pretty much where we're at. So sit back and enjoy the ride. In case you guys are wondering, I'm on the Tiger 800. Yep, still got the Tiger. I know, Beamer, Tiger, whatever. Cliff is up there on his FJ1300. Tim brought up his FZ07. Behind me here, we got one of the other guys with R1100 RT. And we got a whole collection of bikes that are going to be with us later today. I saw a GS1250 GSA, actually, real nice, brand new bike. That is a fun road.
It's nice, isn't it?
And it's clean. Oh shit! This is what vloggers look like.
This is retarded.
Dork.
Exactly, super nerds.
Oh. I'm gonna walk around with my GoPro now. Hi everybody. It didn't happen if you didn't GoPro it.
Blogging. We're gonna work our asses off so we can get 200 views on YouTube.
So it's funny. It's 109 in Tucson today, and up here at the top of the mountain at 9,000 feet in Cloudcroft, it's about 65 degrees right now. So you can see why this was a targeted place to come.
So I assume that's Alamogordo down there, Cliff?
I think so. Yeah. Should be, yeah.
Let's consult the sign.
Distance is Alamo Canyon, the source of much of the water supply for the city of Alamogordo. Alrighty then. Definitely a city down there.
It didn't happen if you didn't GoPro it.